Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Google Maps without internet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Google Maps without your internet, then first thing you need to do is simply go to your Google Maps. And once you're in your Google Map, you need to download a map area while you are connected to a Wi-Fi by tapping on the profile picture and selecting on offline maps. Now you can select your own map, adjust the area and tap download, and the map will enable navigation and location searches without data. No, now, if you want to use your Google Maps without internet, you should be ahead of your time and download the maps you want to go with when you have the access of Wi-Fi. So, offline maps do not include real-time traffic data, alternate routes, or lane guidance, but you will get a gist about how to reach that location. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.